Dear craft lovers, let's create something beautiful together. You are watching Craft Colors. We need some simple materials for this craft: green, black and yellow color papers, glue, scissors, cardboard, pencils and soil material. Fold the paper into half and again fold it into half so that we can cut multiple leaves at a time. Draw the outline of a leaf on the folded paper, then carefully cut along the line to form a leaf shape. Make a small V-shaped cuts along the edges to give it a natural banana leaf look. Fold slightly backward on both sides from the center, leaving a gap to form a natural midrib in the center of leaf. At first, using a yellow pencil, gently draw along the midrib and then highlight it with a white pencil for a best effect. Using a yellow pencil, draw V lines on each leaf to give them a natural look. Cover the yellow lines with white to soften them and add a realistic touch. Take a green paper and roll to form stems. Trim any one of the edge. Apply glue at the bottom of the leaves. Attach the leaves, layering them neatly around each stem. Gently fold the leaves backwards. Repeat the same with other two plants. These are the three plants with different shades of green. Let's prepare pot for the plants. Now take a cardboard in rectangular shape. Using glue, Attach the black papers at both ends of the cardboard. Now, cover the cardboard with black paper. This is the final look of the pot base. Take a black paper and roll it to make paper sticks. For this craft, I used 10-20 cm long sticks and 12 8 cm long sticks. Trim the edges of the paper sticks. Now, using glue, arrange the small and long sticks one after the other alternatively. After arranging paper sticks, this is the look of the pot. Now, take 2 long paper strips to cover the sides of the pot. Attach the paper strips using glue. Insert the paper strip along the sides of the pot. I am not attaching paper to the pot so that the pot can be used for future purpose. This is the final look of the rectangular pot. Give 4 slits at the bottom of the plant so that it can firmly attaches to the pot. Repeat the same with the other 2 plants. Apply the glue and fix them at the bottom of rectangular pot. After attaching the plants, fill the pot with planting material. To fill the pot, I am using cocoa peat as a planting material. You can use any other planting material of your choice. Let's make banana bunch. Take a green paper and roll it to form bunch stalk. Take a yellow paper, using glue, fold it up to 3 times so that we can form a pipe-like structure. Cut the pipe into small strips. Give a V-cut at one end of the paper strips. Using glue or glue gun, attach the paper bananas around the bunch stalk. If available, use a glue gun for better hold and a neater finish. This is the final look of banana bunch. I hope you found today's craft inspiring and useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more interesting craft ideas. See you in the next tutorial. Until then, happy crafting.